Welcome back, everybody, to another crack packing. We're opening Magic the Gathering packs today. Once again, the lovely and dangerous Liliana is our backdrop. We're going to be doing packs of soon to rotate Dominaria. Holy moly. How many packs do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 packs. All right. I didn't have to do that, but it was fun. Today's episode, episode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We lost count already. This episode is brought to you once again by Pocono Game Hunters, the Pocono's favorite video game store. Now with Magic cards. What? All right, let's get into this crack packing, and we're gonna start off with what is this guy? Teferi? I like when people pronounce his name Teferi. Like Jeffrey, but with a T. I say Teferi because of my accent. All right, pack number 1, Dominaria. Now, if you remember, this was a really exciting set for Commander players because it had, a sapling, a legendary creature in every pack. So, who is going to be legendary in this pack? Let's find out. Opt. Boom, 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 boom. Do you think I should be playing music while I'm opening packs? Let me know in the comments. Gideon's Reproach. No, I'm not going to skip that. Let's see. These are the uncommons. Memorial to Genius. Untamed Kavu. Thalid Soothsayer. Joda. Look at that guy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. People are really excited about the new Morph legendary creature from Modern Horizons because with Joda Archmage in play, you get to essentially cast a lot of things for free. Everything for free, right? Wow. All right, pack number 2. And we got Charge. Oh, man. I started playing Magic during the Revive. Oh, another Sapperling. Same art. Mountain. During Revised. And that was on the Dominaria plane. So this set was very nostalgic for me. Seen a lot of homages to cool stuff. And that I remember as a child. And so, it was really exciting to see a lot of the stuff come back and get nodded at by this set. Eldest Reborn. The cast cost a little high, but that's terrible. Nisha's Self-Replicator. Oh, that's terrible. But we did get Halar as our legendary creature for this pack. Halar is a Fire Fletcher. He is the Fire Fletcher, matter of fact. And, he'll probably never see play in any of my decks, but I'm glad that he exists. He's like Sting. Like, I don't listen to his music, but I'm glad that he's out there. Yeah, I'm glad that he's made it. And that is how you misquote Zoolander. Oh, a Nightmare Horror. So scary. We got a plane. Let's keep that legendary creature under wrap here. We got Befuddle. Skirk Prospector is always going to be good. I built a Oathbreaker deck with Estrid, and I based that on a Bogles deck. I'm not sure if I mentioned that in a previous video or not, but my goal was to have lots of hexproof creatures, pump them up with auras, and then swing and crush my opponents. You know what? I can include a link to that down in the description so you get an idea what I'm talking about. And seeing this hexproof turtle back here made me think of whether or not I wanted to include him. But overall, the casting cost is too high for what is essentially a vanilla hexproof creature for a comparable casting cost I have. That hexproof angel who makes so you can't sacrifice stuff. Oh no! What did I just find? Oh yeah, that's a good score right there. That's a real good score. Oh, Hero of Dominaria. Man, who cares about this Baird? That's probably a $35 card right now, huh? Yeah. That's not bad at all. And that was only like pack 3 or 4? How was that? Pack 3. Oh. Alright, alright. Well, let me think of some other decks I could tell you about as I'm flipping through here for the billionth time. Remember that deck I built that one time? It was great. Sapperling. Let's see what? Oh no, it's a different art for the Sapperling. All right. You got a forest. Oh, shucks. Saw that. You know who that is already. Barber Armament. Boom, 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 boom. So this is a great card for the deck I just built. Oathbreaker, green white, spamming token creatures onto the battlefield, and that does a good job of that. Oh yeah, that's common. We got the Eldest Reborn once again. Curator's Ward. Oh, that's not bad. When a champion creature leaves the battlefield with historic, draw 2 cards. Yeah, I probably won't put that in the deck. Oh, Sulphur Falls. That is a good land. This is shaping up to be a really good crack packing, if you ask me. I haven't cracked a single foil yet. If you remember last episode, I was hoping to beat 1 foil because that's all I've been opening, and I did. Not only did I beat 1 foil, I opened 3. Oh, there's my hexproof turtle again. On top of that, I got the foil Crucible of Worlds. So, I mean, that Teferi Hero of Dominaria is up there with how good the Crucible is. But, wow. What a pull that was, huh? In Bolus's clutches. We got Liliana over here, trapped, making deals with Bolus. I like that. On Sarah's Wings. Verdant 4. Speaking of pumping out tokens, he seemed like he'd be so good until you look at his dumb casting cost. 8 mana, 5 and 3 green. Holy blah. Tatiova. She should be in a lot more decks. I really like her. I am talking Commander. I'm not talking about any format that. I know she's not. She does not have a home in every format. That's all I really meant. But we got another Sapperling. There's an island. Look at this charge. Arcane Flight. I'm pretty sure I have that in my Estrid Oathbreaker deck. Just a glance. There is another Memorial to Genius. I don't know who that is in the photo. I mean, you see that big sculpture carved into the side of the mountain. Oh, Final Party is really good. Tempest de Jin? Okay. Alright, looks like we're going to be getting our first foil here. Otis, Arvad the Cursed. And we got Whisper. Arvad, welcome to the Foil Club. That's our first foil for the video. Crowd goes bananas. First foil, we got 5 packs left. I think we were opening 11 today. That's what I said, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. All right, let's see here. I'm guessing Sapperling. Whoa, good guess. Mountain. We got the Tolarian Scholar, which is exists. Llanowar Elves is really good. I like Fungus. Fungus Among Us. We got a wall. Oh, that's not good at all. Joy was familiar. But if Bells Unlocked. Maybe. That's not rare. That's not bad. Pump out creatures. Wrong color though. I don't. Does that see play in any of the wall decks? Not really, right? 06 for 4. The Indestructible is nice, but I can't imagine that. And Valduck, Keeper of the Flame, was our legendary creature for that pack. Oof. 1 foil still. 3 is the number to beat from our last opening. And we're never gonna, never say never, but sorry, I opened that pack off camera. 3/1 Elemental. You always gotta, with Haste and Trample, you always gotta watch out for those guys. All right, let's flip through these commons. Everything we've already seen before. Corrosive Ooze. Oh, we got a Knight. Knight of Grace. Skizzik. What the hell? All right. Sarah's Wings. Oh, another foil. Naru Meha Master Wizard. Copy target instant or sorcery spell you control. You may choose new targets. Oh, she goes infinite with... Oh, she's good. She's real good. So that's 2 foils. Neru Meha. What she got going on here? Very, very cool. I like the art. Arya is my rare. And, you know, she's a legendary creature. Looks like we got all of the knights in Dominaria in these booster packs. But we did pretty good because we got a bunch of knights in the M19 packs the last video. Knight Tribal might be a thing. Stay tuned to find out. Another Sapperling. We've got Sapperlings like crazy. Mountain? What is a Bloodstone Goblin? Oh, he cares about kicking spells, so he does not exist in my reality. Boom, 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 boom. There's another knight. Fungal Infection. That's really good. What does Treasure Pro do? Oh. Yeah, she got a spot in enchantment decks, right? That's a common. That's a common. That is an uncommon. Tragic. I mean, Fire First, Adept. I don't know where I saw Tragic. Boom, 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 boom. On Sarah's Wings might be the most... Oh, Chalet. I got a spot for her for sure. I was just looking for a copy of her. I know I got like 10 of her somewhere, but... Remember, an aura and equipment you control is put in the graveyard from battlefield. May return that card to his owner's hand. Game next step. Yeah, if I make the red, white equipment Oathbreaker set, I guess in the Hiri would probably be the Oathbreaker in there. I think Tiana Ship's Caretaker would have a spot. What else? There was something else in Dominaria. Shalaya's good pull. But, alright, I got 2 packs left. I cracked 2 foils so far here. 3's the number to beat, so if we get 4, I will be very happy. We got Soldier. We got Island. Soldier Island. 1 for a 1/2. As long as there are 2 or more instant sorcery cards in your graveyard. It's +1/+0. 2/2 for 1. Not bad. There's better cards in the universe. I do like that Corrosive Ooze, though. Tragic Poet. Man, this set has a lot of sleepers in it, man. Maybe everyone else knows about them, and I just missed the bandwagon. Oh, what is that? That's a... Oh, Jaya Ballard. Speaking of Oathbreaker, huh? Add 3 mana. Add 3, spend the mana, only gets instant sorceries, discard up to 3 cards, then draw that many cards. Oh, you get an emblem, you can cast instant sorcery cards in your graveyard. That, 5 mana. Whoa, look at that guy. So that is the 3rd foil. Wait a minute. Oh my goodness. So I got Jaya Ballard as a mythic. Slyn Voda. Oh, he's really good too. I have him in my Merfolk deck already, but as my legendary creature, and then Evra Halcyon Witness as my foil. That's 3 foils. Whew. It's hard to beat the value from the last opening, but you notice we got a rare, a mythic, and an uncommon, all legendary creatures. This is our last pack now. What? I don't think we could do anything better. I don't remember what's in this set, so I can't get too excited or hopeful. But we did get a Skirk Prospector, another Sapling. I don't think we got that art yet, did we? We probably did. I can't tell them apart. We got Swamp. Sorry, I got excited there. Not a Knight, but he makes soldier tokens if he's kicked. Creates 2. For 3 mana, you get... For 6 mana, you get 3 creatures. Ooh, I don't think that's doable. We've seen a lot of these already. Blink of an Eye, definitely saw them, but I did not read what it does. And now that I read it, I am not impressed with it at all. Destroy target land. Flying. Time of Ice refers to Ice Age set. Yeah, sure does. Thorn Elemental. First Eruption. First Eruption deals 1 damage to each creature without flying. So, a dragon deck would like this, huh? And then Wrath Capuchin, Ship Mage, Flash Flying. Not bad, not bad. It seems to me, tell me what you think about this, but that Teferi, Hero of Dominaria, is the winner. I got two Planeswalkers in those packs. We got Jaya Ballard. Shalai has, we're going to be trying to squeeze her into a deck real quick. Good night. Sulfur Falls is real good too. Wow. Alright, well, it's pretty good. And then, of course, we are now tied. Our record is still 3 for pulling foils. I think that's pretty decent. Alright, my friends, thanks for checking out the video. This one was a little longer than the rest. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment and share and view and be happy, man. Play Magic. Be good people. I will see you next time. It's Poverty Man. Peace.